rushing through my body.
Welcome back to a new clean with me, and welcome to my messy house. Today I am sharing lots of cleaning motivation as I kind of reset my home and get it ready for the week. Here is a quick look as to what we are dealing with here in the kitchen as we are starting in the heart of the home. Stay tuned as I'm going to be giving you guys a little update on what has been happening. If you follow me over on Instagram, you already know, but stay tuned as my daughter ended up breaking her leg, and so things have just been kind of thrown for a whirlwind. And I will again update you guys a little bit later in the video. So we're just gonna move through the whole house in today's video. Again, starting off in the heart of the home here, I just need to unload the dishwasher, get everything kind of put away and cleaned so that we can again move through the house. This was actually filmed on Good Friday, so the Friday before Easter, and my daughter ended up breaking her leg on Easter Sunday morning. So I was planning on filming a second part of this, but that is kind of why the video got cut short, and I do apologize about that, but my daughter obviously and family always comes first. But don't worry, today's video is still jam-packed with motivation. There is just something amazing about having a nice clean sink, and so I don't do this every single day, but I wanted to do it on this day. I like to give it a deep clean at least once a week and just a quick rinse out every evening. Now let's take it back to Easter Sunday. Obviously we were not expecting our Easter to go the way that it did. It was really nice prior to that, but we ended up having some family over at our house on the morning, and unfortunately it was a trampoline accident gone wrong. So yes, we do have a trampoline, and what happened was we were double bouncing my youngest daughter like we always do, and we both heard a pop, and we knew instantly that something was not, like it was just not good. So we rushed her to emerge. Thankfully, we did have family here because my in-laws were actually able to stay with our oldest daughter while both of us ran our other daughter to again emerge. So we took her to the doctor. After hours of waiting and x-rays and all the things, we ended up finding out that she broke her tibia bone, and it actually broke right into her growth plate. So it's not good. We have a follow-up appointment in a few weeks, so I can definitely keep you guys updated on her. But our family would truly appreciate your prayers if you guys pray, or just your positive vibes or your well wishes and everything, as we are obviously going through that healing process. I tried telling you guys in my last messy to minimal video, and I just couldn't speak, to be honest. I was crying literally every time it got brought up. It was just like peaks and valleys sort of thing, and it's just really been an emotional ride, so to speak, for us. So that's kind of what is happening in the back end and why this video ended up getting cut short. She is unable to bear any weight on it, and so she's also home from school. So yeah, that's kind of our story. So moving on, I'm just gonna do some quick editing magic to clean here behind my stove. It literally took me like 5 minutes. I just vacuumed it and gave it a really quick wipe. And now we are moving on and mopping the kitchen before we move on to the rest of the house. I truly find there's nothing better than when the heart of the home is clean. So now that that is all done, we are moving into the dining area here and getting it a quick clean. I'm also going to be sharing my new plant with you guys, my new baby, this beautiful plant right here. It is called a little leaf fig. We ended up getting the Bambino or Bambina, I can't remember the name of it, something like that. And I just love it. I think it's so gorgeous the way it's a tree. Notice how I'm not over there. I know I'm such a mean mom, but anyway, I think it's beautiful. Let's finish vacuuming the house here.
You and me, everything that we've been through has made us strong. You won't believe we've had our gray, but somewhere there's a light inside of us. It shows the way. Not looking for no heaven or gold, 'cause I got you. Don't wanna show us off, but you're my all that I need. Trying to sugarcoat, but I'm flying so high. I don't even know if I'm coming down. You rock my boat when you hold me so tight. The world just disappears in front of my eyes. I'm telling you why, this ain't no madness. The smoke in the mirrors are memories now. The sun's gone down like a river rushing way up above. This ain't no sugar-coated love. I stay in bed, I still got the feeling that you're next to me. Stuck in my head when lights go off.
Somebody please tell me why it feels so good to have your floors mopped. I don't know what it is, there's just something about it. Usually the first thing I do is make my bed, but I was just all out of sorts and apparently it was the last thing I was doing in today's video. But I know it was short and sweet and I apologize again that I am cutting it this short. But again, my daughter needed me, so stay tuned and make sure you are subscribed. I have a new video coming up next week. I just finished filming it and it's gonna be a good one. We'll see you next time.
Rock my boat when you hold me so tight. The